We're doing a lesson in Cubase remixing. File, new project. Do a dance production. See here, go to productions, dance production. Yeah, create that. Yeah, you get to hear me singing. Oh, yeah. Hey, look, if that's all set up, ready to go. If I just hit play. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Now our song's at 128, so let's change it to 128. Beautiful. And if we jump over here and we press on that little edit instrument, oh look, here comes up our drum kit, and if we do that, then you get all the options here. You might have to come down to this little one and make sure filters are on. See, look, filters. And you can go right back to this. Here it is, we're doing drums, we're doing a drum set, and I want it to be electric, and you can choose all these drum kits. So if I hit play, or spacebar, I can hear this, and if I click on one of these, it'll load it up over here. Oh, and then I can hear it. So I can go through and find a drum kit that I like. I like this one here, the T9 analog kit. It's got a nice sound to it. You can see my loop up there is doing its work. I like that, so I'm just going to close all this off. I'm going to stop it, and I'm just going to move this around a bit so we can see what I'm doing. I'm going to make my loop out that far, so it's the whole drummy thing here. There's my loop button up there. The shortcut is that little slash, if you can see, the slash to loop. So that's a handy thing to know. Alright, I now want to edit my drums, so I'm going to come up here and go Media. MIDI, I said MIDI, Open Drum Editor. And that opens this screen here that looks like this. Wow, look at that, you can see everything. And if we pressed Shift E, it'll zoom for us. Oops, see that? See how it zoomed nicely? Seeing the whole thing now. And I can see that that's a closed hi-hat, that's a pedal hi-hat, that one's a hand clap. If I play that, and if I use this one to scroll down, down here somewhere, I'll find, hey look, there's some more things. And if I click on that, I can hear that's a kick drum. So I'm just going to come over here and give it a label. Oops, kick. This one, I don't know, slap. Oh boy, oh dearie me, slap. Like that, and what's this one? A clap. Can I encourage you to label those, because otherwise you won't know what they are later on. So I'm going to close that down for a second. Come back to here, I'm going to make my screen a bit bigger. I'm going to copy this drum thing by clicking, holding down Option, and dragging it over here. Like that. Click up here. And if I do that one, oh no, don't do that. Oh no. I don't care anymore. Whatever. Don't care. I was going to label it, but I can't see how to label it now. Where is the label? Where is the label? Right, we'll forget that for a second. Oh, info line, there we go. There we go, I clicked on the info line. So I click on that one, turn the info line on, and now I can see main drums. And I'm going to call this first bit the mix in. That's the bit you mix in. And this bit here, I'm going to do some adjusting to. So at the end of my mixing, I want a little something that's going to sound a bit different. So I'm going to get rid of this. Oh, I'll move the loop actually. So I'll make the loop over to, grab it, move the loop over there, like so. Click on this, I'm going to edit the drums, MIDI, Open Drum Editor. I'm going to come down here, all the way down, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit play. Turn that off. It's just repeating that. And this section here, see the kick? I'm going to get rid of the kick. So let's do that. I might even get rid of this slap actually. You can do what you like there, but do something like that. And that's that little part there. Go and grab the scissors. I'm going to chop that up. I'm going to get the eraser. I'm going to delete that bit because I don't care about that bit anymore. I'm going to get the scissors. I'm going to chop that because all the music goes in 8-bar lots. Like that, like that. Move that over there. Go and give this a name, and this is going to be called Fill. Like so. And now I've done that, I can glue that back together. Oh no, I'll leave it as Fill because I might want to use it later. Alright, I'm going to grab a bit of my mix in and create a verse group. So I click it, Option, drag it over here. Same thing, click on that. Open it in the drum editor, open drum editor. This time, I'm going to go right down and I want to get rid of all of this. I just want the hi-hat. So I'm going to get rid of all that. Whoops, whoops. Shift E to get back where you were. Shift E zooms it nicely in for you. Like that. Get rid of all that. Delete. And what else have I got here? I've got... Oh, I might leave the hand clap in. No, maybe I'll get rid of it. No, I'm going to get rid of it. Get rid of the hand clap. Don't like it. It's rubbish anyway. Woohoo! And now I should have it. Look at that. That's that section now. And I'm going to give this a name. So maybe I'm going to call this my verse groover. Beautiful. That's my verse groove. If I wanted to hear what that's going to sound like, I could play it from here. I love it. I love it already. It's like, I don't know, it's just so happening. Right, next I'm going to do a bit of a breakdown. So I'm going to click on that option and copy it over there. Same thing, MIDI, open drum editor. This time I might get rid of the hi-hats, all of this junk. Shift E so I can see the whole thing. Get rid of all that. Delete. And what does that sound like? Ooh, where is it? Down there. I don't like the way that that's got all this slap and stuff in here, so I'm going to get rid of that. Shift E. Goodbye. Let's have a listen to that. Oh no, I used my loop. Whoops. Where am I? I want to be over there. Look over there. Turn the loop off. This is my breakdown. I don't know if I like that. I might go that one out so I get a bit slower. Every second one out. Yeah. Oh yeah, I like it. Maybe you can even move one of these like so. That would be what that sound like. Yeah. 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 Woo! Yeah, that's going off. Right, so I've edited up to bar 18. I'm gonna get rid of that. Get my scissors, chop at bar 18, get the eraser, chop that stuff. Give it a name. What did I call it? Breakdown. Go back here, grab that thing, click on it, hold down option, drag it out here. Now what I want to do here is I want to make some sort of